Chico Deon Automotive Mobile Service. Here I am again doing what I do. In fact, right now I got an AC job. Young lady had to fix a AC system up. If you see, I got AC gauges on here. That we're supposed to use. But anyway, I'm gonna let her say something. She didn't really want to get on camera, so I'm gonna put her on Front Street right now. Go and tell my Facebook people something. Tell them something.
He good, he reasonable, and he A1. And he loyal. He not gonna lie to you or overcharge you. He A1. Come to him.
Y'all heard that. 832-306-8481. Mira, soy Chico. Ahora mismo yo hice un trabajo de acondicionado porque este carro no estaba funcionando bueno, el acondicionado. Ya yo puse una compresora y todo eso por ella, está funcionando bien bueno. Si ustedes tienen algo, un carro, algo, una camioneta, una guagua, algo así rota y no está funcionando bien bueno, llámame 832-306-8481. Vaya, vaya.